Hello YouTubers, and welcome to yet another session with Mykail Arisa, your friendly value mate. And in today's session we are going to be looking at how you can remove the background of any picture that you have. So whatever picture that you have available and you want to remove the background of that picture, I'm going to show you how you can do that using your smartphone in just these simple steps. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you are going to do is go into your browser and go to Chrome. So you launch Chrome browser. You can do this on whatever browser you are using, maybe Safari, maybe Chrome browser, or your native Android browser. You can do it on your browser. So when you get into your browser, you are going to type on WEPIK.com. This is WEPIK.com, and it's going to take you into the site. So WEPIK is a website that is hosted by FREEPIK. So for those of you that are into graphic design, you will know FREEPIK. FREEPIK is a website where you get access to graphic portfolios and some other things. You use it for your design, so you get to have access to templates as well. So they've been able to branch out into this WEPIK. So now you get to edit things online. So before, you just download the SVG, PSD files and all the rest of it. Don't worry, PSD is the native file for Photoshop. It means PSD means Photoshop designs. SVG, which is standard vector graphics. It's just terms used by graphic designers. So if you're a graphic designer, you would understand what I'm saying. So now when you get to freepik.com, you have to log in first. So create an account if you don't have one. If you have, you can choose to also log in using your Google account. So when you do that, just tap on the hamburger menu here. So when you tap on the hamburger menu, you go to my creations. So when you go to my creations, you are going to see an option to create your own. So I played around with something. You tap on this and then you choose what you want to create. So choose Instagram post, and when you choose Instagram post, it's going to show you a blank template. So all you have to do is to click on add photo. So when you tap on add photo, the next thing you go to is to tap on upload. So when you tap on upload, you just go to device. So I've uploaded a picture here, and as you can see, I've been able to change the background. But what I can do is to upload a picture so you understand, so you follow up. So you tap on images. For me, the pictures that I want to use are under WhatsApp business documents. Okay, so let's say I want to change the background for this particular picture. So I would select it and it will start uploading. So you give it some few minutes to upload. So once it's done uploading, all you have to do is to select the picture that you want to change the background and scale it to your desired size. So however you want to do it. The next thing you will do is to click on remove BG here. So once you tap on remove BG, the algorithm is going to study the picture to find out the background and the foreground, and then it's going to remove the background. So you just give it some minutes, and exactly. So as you can see, the background has been removed. So you can play around with the background if you want. You can also play around with the foreground, and you can get to apply presets if you are interested. So if you tap on presets, you have the ability to work on what you want the design to be. So this can also be helpful if you are working on your, let's say for example, you want to do a highlight for your Instagram profile. So this is one that I saw that looks really nice. So this is another one. Okay, so as you can see that you get to play around whatever you want to do, whichever you want to choose. You can get to play around all of this, but that's not what I'm looking for. So you leave it at this. So I want to show you guys something. So once you are done, this is the image that you want to. You can just tap on the download, and it says you are going to do this download, and you can choose to download it as PNG. So it says downloading. You can choose to continue working, or you just download your image, right? So you can see it asks me to download, then I'll just go ahead and download it. So it says file downloaded, and I click on open so that you can see that the background has been removed. So the white background you are seeing is because the canvas the canvas that I used is white in color. So that's the simple step that you would take when you want to remove background from images. If you were able to find this content valuable, please feel free to hit the like button, and don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section. If you have any idea of videos that you want to see in the future, then feel free to also subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell Also check out other videos on my channel that has to do with surface level positioning as well as graphic design. Once again, this is Mykail Arisa, your friendly value mate. And remember, don't just get online, get noticed.